Today is another day with Mittens, Lulu, and Billy. Yep, Billy. Let's begin our day with some bread and some ham and one apple for the teacher. Okay, two. Who are you? Who are you?
Out, and I don't want to be out in the rain.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Oh, but I'm trying.
I have. What? Wait, I can't hear you. Said. I have bad hearing. Sorry.
I'm Trinity. Sorry, I'm really quiet.
I'm Addie.
Hi. My cousin also wanted me to check up on her house before I went.
I have an idea. How about we just run through the rain, like really fast?
So I guess I'll see you at school.
Okay.
Doors unlocked. Still locked when she goes home. I'm
Okay. Why do I have poo in my thing? I'll just put it in that locker. Yeah. So I would know. Yeah. My first class is history, so why do I have a white bed and stuff? I have cookies. That's my house key. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get ready for a history class, which is upstairs, I'm pretty sure. So let's just go. But then I have it twice, I'm pretty sure. Yep, I have it twice. Kill myself. Why are you following me?
Oh, hey, it's mine is right under my cousin's.
I'm pretty sure you guys have, you have, math? I have history. You have math. Go downstairs. Downstairs. The classroom 2. All the way downstairs. Last floor. First floor. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome so much. Hello class. Welcome to math. Mess. Called meth for some reason here, but still. I am.
Math isn't good.
I don't care, miss. I don't care, miss in the back. I am Miss Luna, and I shall be y'all's teacher. Nice to meet you who you are, and nice to meet you whoever you are. And I have an apple. Stuff that keep you nutrients. Apples. Right there. Something delicious. One apple a day keeps the doctor away. Today we'll be doing some multiplying, division, and other math things you learn in high school, of course. But it looks like you guys have both different faces, so you guys shall say your name and say what you guys love to do. What? You want to go first? Because you guys are 2 different people that I never seen. Okay, you can go. What is your name? And what do you love to do? I'm Tulip, and I love being with my twin. Nice to meet you, Tulip. Who are you?
I'm
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys both, actually. I hope you guys enjoy being here at our school.
Oh, I'm only gonna be here for a day or every now and then.
Okay.
When my cousin.
Okay. So we will be doing some mathematics and other stuff, like I said earlier. Let's just begin class now. Let me get you guys some stuff. We'll be doing a math, multiply, and division, mathematics, area, others, and math today. It's not a test, it's a worksheet. We'll be having a test soon, which you're probably not going to be here for, Miss McMinna. But you will be here for. You guys have all class to finish this. And when you guys are done, you guys can do whatever, or you guys can come up to my desk and ask for another one. Right now, I shall be eating my apple, because that's the way to keep the doctor away, kids. Eating it, nutrients.
I finished it.
You are? Okay, I'll take it like this. Thank you. Are you finished?
Sorry, I didn't.
Okay, thank you. I shall grade y'all's papers. You guys can do whatever you want, or ask for another paper, okay? I have another. Yes, you may. Let me grab you another piece of paper. This one is 2 pieces of paper, so good luck doing these. Next one. Wait, I didn't even do this. Wait, darn it. Pause. Okay. Oh, are you done? That is the other paper. Thank you. Let me take these 2 papers. Let me go give this paper to her.
Thank you.
That out.
Thank you.
Okay, I shall grade these 2. Wait, she did a magnificent glob, so I shall do this. Okay. Here is your other worksheet. You did an amazing job on that, because yay! Yeah. Congratulations. It looks like math class is over, kids. Great job on doing your work, especially you in the back and you. You'll see me tomorrow. It's fine. You're fine, sweetie. You'll see me tomorrow. I promise you. Promise you with all my heart. You'll see me tomorrow. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. I'm gonna die. I'm so tired. I hate school. I hate everything, but we have history. I realized my first class was not history last time, but
Hey, yeah, can I kill you?
Where's the teacher? I think the teacher's never here when I'm here. Where is the teacher? Can we just skip class and go to science?
Kind of want. I don't want to skip class. Anyways, down that bar.
Who's the teacher? Same. But who's the teacher? We don't have a teacher.
I guess they got sick and didn't call in the substitute. So
should we just look at that desk?
Free time?
But should we look at the desk just in case there's like papers?
Yeah, I'll go. I guess we all can go.
Wait, I'm gonna look at this book just real quick, making sure that none of the papers are in those. Look at them. Look at them.
Doesn't look like there's anything. I'll look in this bookshelf.
Nothing. There could be something up there. Someone lift me so I can reach. Actually, I have an idea. I have these in my bag for some reason, just in case I'm too short to do something. I have something. Nothing. I only have my book that I had from history yesterday. Or not yesterday, Friday.
So I'm guessing we just have free time?
Yeah, I'm same. It's time to draw, my friends. It's time to draw some anime boys. I have lots of paper so we can draw lots of things.
I'm good. I don't feel good.
Anime boys! Oh, cry. Time to draw some anime boys.
I don't feel good. I'm not drawing.
It's like only mostly food, not mostly lies.
La 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 la. Okay.
I'm gonna go see if I can find the nurse. I think I'm gonna just
draw like some anime boys, yeah. Done. I think I did a pretty good job on my anime boy. I love anime. I'm gonna go see if the teacher's coming. I would've studied instead. That's okay. Can I see it? I wanna see it. Can I read it? Can I read it? Can I read it? Can I read it? Please? I just wanna see what is it about? Some anime boys? Anime boys. Them anime boys. Them anime amps. Oh, amazing stuff. Oh my god. Can I read it? No? Yes? Oh. Yup. Yay! Where was it? Did I get it? Oh my god, so many pages. The story is about Alex anime boys. Even Jordan Sweeto, because he's the hottest anime boy. Oh my god. I'm gonna sit down on my desk. Well, I have 2 desks for some reason, but reading the anime boy comic. Oh my god. It's amazing. I love it. Let me take some of my papers back.
Shouldn't class be over?
Wait, what time is it? I think it's time to go. The bell didn't ring, but I think it's time. It is science. Time to go to science. Put your sound out.
Oh, hello, classes.
Whoa! I'm told.